child, what you doing in them shackles and chains? Didn't they tell you that you's free? My master freed me over 2 years now, see? I come and go as I please, emancipated. Didn't your master hear the news he can't control us no more? Working our fingers to the bone in them fields? Let's pack all of the things you can manage. Come on now to that horse-drawn carriage. There's a whole new world to explore. Hey man, what you doing in that white tee and baggy jeans? Haven't you realized by now that you're free? Free to choose your own identity instead of lining up in society's factory, waiting to strap on a prepackaged stereotypical destiny and call it you. You're completely free to do exactly uniquely you, and those with open minds will love the originality. Come on man, let's change that be like the next guy mentality. That conformity box is waiting to be stepped out of. Inner office email to corporate employee. What you doing in that cell block cubicle? Didn't the boss tell you that you're free? Free to brainstorm ideas, plans of action to make it happen. Look at the current situation and chart a spreadsheet to results. Maybe that policy can be revised if seen through a set of new eyes that for years has been even slightly unfair. Your brain is there to use it. Your mind should be spoken lest you lose it. Use free, my brothers and sisters, what you're still doing in them shackles and chains. Thank you.